This morning we're out in Coral Springs to do a bi-monthly inspection on this house here. So let's see what they got going on. These Colossia were very small when he first planted these a couple of years ago. They're beautiful now. So just a few clogged nozzles, refill the rust tank. Everything else is pretty good to go. So on to the next one. So we're out here in Coral Springs again, just on the other end of the city, at this house that the customer just moved into. Nice, big, beautiful corner lot. And they're wondering if their irrigation system is working properly. So let's go knock on the door, introduce ourselves, and take a look at the system to see what we can do for them. Well, haven't even knocked on the door yet, but I already see two things I can fix. So it looks like this customer wants to get upgrades done to the controller, the indexing valve. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put a new one there. And there's a break. You're not rotating, so you're crooked. The customer actually called us after moving into this house a couple days ago because our sticker is on their controller. Imagine that. Okay, so we just went through that system. There are several things that need to be addressed on this property. There are a bunch of broken heads. As you can see by my flags out here, in one area I need to add a head to cover this. We got a rotor sticking way up out of the ground over there. That shouldn't even be on this zone because it is a spray zone. There's another rotor right here that needs to be a spray head. So there are quite a few things on this property that need to be addressed, as well as this customer would like a digital controller. They have an Intermatic mechanical controller, and they also have an indexing valve they're not too thrilled about since they're from New York and have never seen one of those before. So let's go ahead and break the news to them of how much it's going to cost to fix all this stuff. Okay, well, he took that better than I thought he would. He had 17 broken heads on his property, all of these up here and then some. So we're going to come back and probably take care of all of the head work, and he'll upgrade the controller and valves at another date. On to the next one. All right, so this next stop is at a U-Haul here in Coconut Creek. We're gonna go through the 19 zone system, see what's going on here, give them a quote, then on to the next one.